As I should be live. I don't know what went on before, but it didn't pop up anywhere and tell me. Let's see if we're live on there. Switch channel. There we go. I'm live. So yeah, I'm definitely live now. So view channel, Wednesday live. Well, that wasn't fucking, oh fuck's sake, that's 4 months for fucking go. Oh fuck's sake. $4 months ago, 7 days ago. Well, where's fucking tonight's? It's not fucking showing it me. Nope. Not showing it me. Right. Hi Sam. Andy, you were live, you just didn't know it. No, I didn't know it because it's not showing me on here. Why is it not showing me on here? Let's try again. Fucking stupid things. Right, hang on a minute. Am I live on the Vintage Radio Shack, guys? Am I live on the Vintage Radio Shack? Because I fucking shouldn't be. Yeah, I am. I shouldn't be live on there. Oh well. General, switch accounts. Well, we're in the shack, aren't we then? Okay. Right. Wednesday live, yep. Now I selected that. For Vintage Electronics Repair. Andy, you were live, you just didn't know it. No shit. Cheers, Clarence. I've been sick and quite better now. Good to see you, Andy. Yes. Hello, Julie, honey. A late one, yes. There's a very good reason why we're late, guys. The very good reason why we're late. I was watching the snooker. Yeah, my OBS has all gone tits up. I pressed something on my keyboard yesterday by accident, and well, one of the wires that are knocking around here did, and it changed something. I don't know how you change it back, but it's, yeah. Yeah, good evening, guys, good evening. Right, so if I go up to there, if I go to that, now that's opened that. Now if I pull this down to the size I want it, which is there, then I move the audio mixer to there, that's it, there, move that to a bit narrower, to about there. Right, that's where that should be. Now this next one, oh, this is annoying. Right, so that needs to go over to there. That's the audio mixer. I'll just move this one out of the way a minute. There we go, let's put that back where it should be. Now, the audio mixer. I need that where it says cut. Need that to move that along. I need to move that down. Need to move it along, which is there. Then down. Shrink it slightly, there we go. Right. That's there, right. Now, audio mixer. I need to move that just out of the way for a minute. Put that there. This is a real... Now that's moving the controls back to where I don't want them. Oh, for fuck's sake. This needs to go here. Right, the audio mixer. Put that up there for a minute. Right. The cut and paste thing. Well, that's where I want it. Let's move that one. That's right there now. Video capture device. This is really beginning to piss me off, guys, because nothing's working. Right. Well, so that's where we want that. That's where I want that. Is there any way of fucking refreshing this? Oh fuck it, let's just click on reset. View, reset GI. Fuck it, that'll do. Now my chat's disappeared. Right. Put that there. Move the chat. Oh, fuck off. Move the chat to there. Move it up a bit. That'll do. Fuck it. Right. It's not right. It's not where I want everything, but it'll do. Right, guys. So what have we got? Well, I've been watching the snooker. That's why I'm late on. Sorry to hear you not been well. Good to hear you getting better. Well, yeah. Yeah, glad to know that you're feeling better, Clarence, obviously, my friend. Yeah. I'll have to look in the help file and see how you fucking move all this stuff about. I pressed something on the fucking keyboard, it must have been fucking to reset it. And that's what it's done. So we've ended up with everything. Yeah. I mean, the scene transition, that's in the right place. Now if I click on this one here, right, now that's your audio. That makes everything smaller. Just not right. So I want the audio. It's doing me head in, guys. I'm not going to be happy until I get it right. Right. Right, so that's in the wrong position now. Fucking hell. Right, dock toolbars. Full height docks. Right, scenes. Sources. Let's put them all back one at a time. Audio mixer. Scene transitions. Controls. That's got rid of the whole fucking lot now. Right. Status bar. Source tools. Fucking nothing there now, the whole lot's gone. So put everything back. Scene list. Right. Source toolbar. Put something back there. Don't know what, but something's appeared. Don't know where though. Just made the picture narrower. Open multi-view, no, that fills the thing with full screen interface. No, that's what I must have fucking pressed. Status bar. So where's everything now? No sources selected. Alright. Fucking no, let's just reset it, fuck it. Just reset it. At least it's put everything back now, my chat's disappeared. Where have you gone? I know where to get that back. Right, there's me chat. Oh fuck it, it'll have to just do like that. Yeah. I'm fucking about with it last night, I couldn't get it right. Now if I move this one here, There you go. It's not correct, but it'll do. There we go. Yeah, because that's supposed to be. Yeah, it's not where I have everything, but it'll do. Yeah, I tried all that. It didn't work. Yeah, I tried that. It didn't work. It comes back in this configuration it's in now. I must. One of the fucking. I think one of the fucking buttons. One of the keys resets it. Which one would it be? It doesn't say. It just says reset GUI. Just says reset UI user interface. Right, that's grid mode for. Oh, that's actually better. That's everything's in its own little box there now for selecting things. That's a lot better. But this sources should be next to the audio, if I remember rightly. I'll have to look at the one in the workshop. I'm not messing with it now. Doing my fucking head in. Anyway, yeah, I was watching the snooker guys. In fact, I'm going to put that back because I can't fucking read half of them now. Some of them's missing. See list. That's better. Right. Yeah, I'll try to restart. I'll try shutting it down and restarting it, Clarence. Made no fucking difference. If I go to the audio fucking mixer here and I click on that, see, that's put that up there now. Screen transitions, that never used to be there. That used to be up here somewhere. Can I not turn that off because I don't use the cunt anyway? No. That screen transitions, I'm sure that was in the fucking middle. Right. And that one there. That one was at the end here. That's at the end where it's always been. That's your audio mixer. Right. So that's there. And this one should be there. This one should be down here. Let me try something. Right. So if I bring that down to there. Bring that right across there. Right. Let's turn that chat off for a minute. Turn that back on in a minute. Right, so now it's a weird fucking thing. So that's supposed to be down here. That's supposed to be there. Video capture is supposed to be next to it. Supposed to be there. Audio's supposed to be next to that. That cut thing, don't that's supposed to be next to it there, and then the controls is supposed to be here. But the problem is we're covering up the fucking picture now. The problem is we're covering up the picture. Show profile, show edit, no, no, reset. Right, that's a reset fucking, yeah, it's still still not made any difference fucking resetting that. I don't fucking know. I'm fucking, I've had enough of this. Let's put the chat back on. There we go. And the chat's too fucking narrow now. Put that there, so we're right on the edge. Move the chat back up to the fucking end here. And then just come up the bottom here. That'll do. Yeah, it'll have to do because that's the only way it'll work. But what the idea was to move the audio one in, which I can't do because something's in front of it. Yeah. Yeah. Options. They're just for your audio. What does that one do? That changes your bar from, yeah. Settings. That doesn't do anything that you want it to do for that. Right. Well, that moves your bar up, and that sets your audio. No source selected. There is source selected because, oh that's why. Yeah. Weird. Yeah, so yeah, I've been enjoying the snooker, guys, and I'm not gonna be long because I want to go to bed soon. The reason for that is because I've got to be up early tomorrow morning. Burn It Out Matthew's coming on Friday, and guess what, guys? I've still not put his amplifier back in his record player, so that's got to go back in the morning. I've repaired the amplifier as far as I know it works. I haven't tested it yet, but as far as I know it works. All the parts on it work, so I don't see why it shouldn't. And I've just replaced the speaker coupling capacitor tonight when I found the right one, or near enough the right one. So all we've got to do now, guys, is that's your speaker wires. They're your power lead, and they're your input, and I've just got to solder the power lead onto the on-off switch, and maybe spray some cleaner into these switches for good measure, to these potentiometers for good measure, and everything else is done. It's ready to go back together. But the amplifier originally had a transistor missing, which we've sorted. We've managed to sort that out. I forget which one it was. It was one of these domed ones that was missing. So we've done that. And we'll get that in the morning. and back to normal. But yeah, I don't know why. I don't know how I managed to. I'll have to have a look on the other one in the workshop. But yeah. What else is there to say? Not really a lot, really, guys. It's one of those things, innit? You know, I can't really think of a lot to talk about. Oh yeah. Let's throw them batteries in the bin. They're fucked. Yeah, we've got this, guys. This is for the Voco Pro Gigman. This is a genuine. This is a genuine Sony laser. We're going to pop that in it and see if that sorts out our jumping problem. If it doesn't, then the Gigman's just going to be used as an amplifier. Because it lets you connect 4 sources into it anyway, so... yeah. I can't shut it down and I can't shut it down and restart it. What if I put it into studio mode? What'll that do? Yeah, all it does is just give me 2 small pictures. Gives me a preview picture there and program picture there, so I can actually select that. And if I go to camera 2, it'll forgive my dinner plate for being there. But if I now select, there you go. We can even fade. Quick transitions. Right. Fade to black. Fade. And that there we can right. Now where there's camera 1. Let's come back to camera 1. There you go. And that's what that does. There we go. I don't know what virtual camera does. Start virtual camera. I don't know. Oh, hang on. No, that doesn't work doing that. There you go. Don't know what virtual camera does. Program default, output type, no selection for output type. I'm not messing with that. I don't know what. I'm not sure what it does. That looks like it was pizza. It was. It was a deep pan pepperoni. Yeah, it was a deep pan pepperoni, guys. I could probably actually get used to this display looking like this. Yeah, that was a deep pan pepperoni I had for my supper. And I'll tell you now, guys, it went down well. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, it went down well. And Laura had pizza fingers. Like pizza baguette things. Yeah, I did my shopping a bit earlier with my CB radio money that I had. I had a bit of CB radio money, so did me. That volume should be further up than that. There we go. Right. Oh, pardon me, guys. Yeah, so yeah, it was a deep pan pepperoni, and it went down well. I didn't bake it. I bought it. You've got to have special flour for baking pizzas. I don't like baking pizzas. I probably will do one at some point, but you've got to have proper pizza flour. I can't remember what flour it is, but it's a different kind of flour you have to have for baking pizzas. I tried baking pizzas years ago. I never got the hang of them. There's a lot of messing about doing pizzas. You've got to buy all sorts of shit to stick on them. You know, it's for what they are. It can be quite expensive baking pizzas. That reminds me, I've got to buy some pepper and stuff. I don't know what I'm baking this week, guys. I don't know what I'm baking, but I've got a few things planned. I don't know what I'm baking this week. Probably just bake. I might just bake some more pies for our tea on Saturday. Just bake some more pies. So far I've done pies, I've done cake, and I've done pies, biscuits, and the cake. I don't know what to do next. I mean, pizzas. You know, let me just have a quick look at the recipe for a pizza dough, because I've never done it. Well, I have, but it turned out shit. Right. Have I ever done cornbread? No. Let's have a look on here. Pizza. Pizza recipe. Here we go. Pizza recipe. Pizza recipe. There we are. See what you need to make a pizza. Good food. Pizza margherita, 4 easy steps. The only problem with that good food is you have to subscribe to it. Homemade pizza dough recipe. That's all I need to know. Jamie Oliver. Here we go. Yeah. It doesn't. Does he tell you? For fuck's sake. Right. Oh, fuck's sake. Dairy-free, vegan, vegetarian. Doesn't fucking tell you how to do it. Or do you have to click that? Where's the fucking recipe? Print recipe. Prepare in preview. So I'll probably have to print the fucking recipe. Well, I can't do it in here because the printer did actually work at one time in here, but there it is there. Can I zoom in? If I click on print, printing. Oh, it's not printing, it won't fucking print in preview, prepare in preview. Right. So we'll click print Original simplified Microsoft printer PDF. But it won't detect my printer. It used to. I need to have it redetect my printer. I'm not fucking about with that. I can think of better things to do at this time of night. Hello Mark, 1966, hello Bernie, hello Paul, guy from the 60s. Yeah, I'm alright mate, yeah, I'm alright. I'm up late, I was watching the snooker. I've got this fetish, guys, I've got this fetish where I like to watch grown men walk around a big green table full of coloured balls knocking about with little sticks, little thin sticks. I've got this fetish where I like to watch that, so I fell asleep this afternoon and missed Ronnie O'Sullivan. Mind you, I didn't miss much, he won, which I knew he would. So he only had a couple of frames to play and I fell asleep in my chair over there and missed him. But never mind. He won, so, you know, there we go. Yeah, I've put one of my dance sets on eBay for sale. My dance set challenge, C101 I think it is. That's up on eBay. I've got a lot of stuff to get rid of. I've got a few tape decks to get rid of. Got a couple of, I've got about 3 or 4 tape decks, a couple of tuners. I don't think I've got any amplifiers because I'm not, although I don't use it now, I'm not selling me realistic because I got that off a very good friend of mine, so I'm keeping that. I'm fed up with trying to sell fucking CBs on eBay. Apparently they clamp right down on it. Fucking arseholes. Yeah, I'm going to break wind, guys. It's one of those things where, there you go. You know, you lift your arse and let your cheeks part and go. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I think, because I'm going to go to bed because I want to get up early in the morning. I want to get up about 7 or 8 and start on that record player at Matthew's, putting the amp back in. Because he's here Friday, so I'm cutting it fine. And if it doesn't work, I've got to fault find it. So I think it will. I don't see why it shouldn't. But I'm cutting it a bit fine. So anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. And I'll be back this way tomorrow. I won't be live, but there'll be a video. And you all take it easy. I'm sorry I'm late. Hang on. Yeah. I'm sorry I'm late, guys. But, you know, I did want to watch the snooker. You might not see much of me. Or if you do, it's probably going to be late until the 5th of January. And including, because that's when the snooker finishes. Good night, guys. Good night, Julie, honey. Good night, Clarence. Good night, Paul. Good night, Mark. Good night, everybody. I'll be back. As I said, there'll be a video going up tomorrow of that record player going back together and being tested. And I'll catch you all later. Good night, and you all take care, stay safe, and look after yourselves. Until we meet again. Bye for now, guys and girls.